Welcome to another episode of the Maestro, and we're going to call this one Maestro and Friends because in this video I hook up with my old NorCal crew. I lived in Northern California for 25 years before I moved back to LA about 5.5 years ago, and I have ridden with these guys for 15 to 20 years, tens of thousands of miles riding together. So it's always a great time when we can reunite, and typically what happens is I meet them about halfway in a little town called Creston, and then we ride back to LA together. Here we are in this little town called Santa Margarita, which is just off the 101 freeway, just south of Atascadero, where Highway 58 connects with 101. You have to get gas here because Highway 58 is about 70 miles through the California Valley in the middle of nowhere, and it's a pretty high-speed road, so if you aren't topped off, you're going to be walking for quite some time. As a matter of fact, years ago, our buddy Judah on the 1098 ran out of fuel about 5 or 7 miles from Taft, and we had to do the old heel on the foot peg with him riding and kind of take turns pushing him the 5 to 7 miles, which is always memorable, but never really recommended. So here we go. We're hanging right now on Highway 58 out of Santa Margarita. In the lead, we have Judah on the ZX10rr, followed by Tommy on his GSXR750. And then right in front of me is Mad Gav on the Tuono factory. Gavin is going to come to the rear in a little bit. And so this video, this segment, part 1 of Highway 58, is going to be pretty much Judah, Tommy, and I. And then when we follow it up with part 2, it's going to be mostly Gavin and I taking up the next segment. So here we are, Highway 58, a magnificent road on a beautiful June day in California, 70 miles of riding nirvana. I hope you guys enjoy.